how to find your Roblox User ID on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate your unique Roblox User ID directly from your mobile browser. First, open your browser on your Android device and go to roblox.com. After that, if a pop-up appears asking you to open the app, look for the Continue in Browser option and tap on it. From there, make sure you are logged in to your Roblox account. At this point, tap on your profile icon at the top of the page to go to your profile. In the next step, once you're on your profile page, tap on the URL address bar at the top of your browser. Following this, look at the web address and you'll notice a string of numbers sitting between two forward slashes. Once done, that number is your unique Roblox User ID. It is completely specific to your account and no one else has the same one. Finally, you can copy that number directly from the address bar to save or share it wherever you need it. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you find your Roblox User ID, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.